All right, here we go. NT two-box break number 2. NT baseball. Boom, there it is. Second half of the case. First half was decent. There was one trade, the Royals for the Dodgers. The guy who had the Royals also had the Dodgers. Good luck, everybody. Box number 1. Move this down a little bit. Here we go. Yordano Ventura, card numero 1. Too bad you traded him away. James William Gilliam to 99 for the Dodgers, Brooklyn. Willie Keller, 11 out of 25, 424 batting average for Baltimore. Is that the Orioles? Willie Keller? I'll have to look it up. Ooh, nice patch. To 25, Robin Yount for the Brew Crew. Zainbo got him. 12 out of 25. Zainbo. Yeah, that's a nice patch. It's textured. Yeah, the stash. His stash was awesome. Yordano Ventura, rookie material signature silver. Yordano got him. 1 per case in NT. It's crazy. Eugenio Suarez, 5 out of 99 for the Tigers. Detroit. Enigma. Go. We gotta go. 95 out of 99. Chris Owens for the D-backs. Combo spot, right? Yep. Big Hurt 35. Wow. Stealing all the good hits. And nicknames. Can't read what his nickname is. Parquet something. To 10 out of 25 for the A's. Gary W. Nice. Guess it was the Tigers. And your book is 14 out of 25. George Springer, John Singleton for Houston. Dual jersey relic, dual auto. Mr. Dub. Mr. Dub. There you go, buddy. You got 2 autos on 1 card. Here we go. Garrett Cole, 99. Big Hurt, 12 out of 99 for Enigma. Little pinstripe action going on there. Frank. Oh, God, look at that. 8 out of 10. Sick patch for the Rays. Combo spot. Wooly got him. Well, he's been getting crappy teams with good cards. Ooh, that's a nice one too. 21 out of 25. 3-color sock. George Springer. Mr. Dub. On a roll. The one I know is white. He is white. Really white. Marcus Semien for the White Sox. Baseball. Sweet spot auto. 67 out of 99. Robbie Cano. Wow. 6 out of 10 for the Mariners. Jumbo bat relic. A. Buke. Seaman. Marcus Seaman. That's how you're getting at. Colton Wong. Wong. 18 out of 99. Shooter. Stan the Man. Wow, 18 out of 20. Stan Usual Diamond. That's sick. Shooter. Good Lord. And Tom Yawkey for the Boston Baseball Club. Tom Yawkey. Die cut Tom. Expos to Nats. There you go. That's your break. Nothing to random off. Thank you everybody for joining. We'll see you next time if you're only watching on YouTube.